Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread for diabetics, focusing on easy and healthy options. Many traditional breads can cause quick rises in blood sugar due to refined carbohydrates. We will explore how to choose ingredients and techniques that help manage glucose levels, allowing you to enjoy delicious homemade bread. This guide will help you create satisfying loaves with better nutritional profiles, making your baking both enjoyable and health-conscious. Choosing the right flour is crucial for diabetic-friendly bread. Almond flour is an excellent option, providing about 6 grams of carbohydrates per serving, significantly less than white flour. Coconut flour is another great choice, packed with fiber to slow sugar absorption. Psyllium husks are fantastic for adding fiber and structure, especially in gluten-free recipes. You can also use whole grains like rye or sprouted grains, which offer more fiber and nutrients than refined flours. When sweetening your bread, opt for natural, zero-calorie alternatives such as stevia or monk fruit extract. These options provide sweetness without affecting blood sugar levels. It is best to avoid added sugars and many artificial sweeteners. Boost your bread's nutritional value by incorporating seeds like chia, flax, or sunflower seeds, which add healthy fats and fiber. Including healthy fats, such as olive oil, can also help reduce the overall glycemic impact of your bread. Beyond ingredients, baking techniques can also help. Sourdough bread, with its longer fermentation process, can have a lower glycemic index. For flours lacking gluten, adding 1 tablespoon of vital wheat gluten per 2 cups of flour can improve texture and rise. Interestingly, freezing and then toasting your bread may reduce its glycemic impact by 20 to 30%. Always pair your bread with protein-rich foods and healthy fats to further stabilize blood sugar levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.